Mabuhay! Ako si Lawrence from TM4A Travel and Tours. And alongside with me is our coach captain, Sir Andrew, and our drivers, Kuya Julio and Kuya Mike. And before we start, let's do a head count. 1, 2, 40. Okay, we're 40 and complete. As we head to our first destination, but first is let me discuss to you our do's and don'ts. First is, before we leave, don't forget your belongings. And next is, please avoid smoking and drinking alcohol inside the vehicle. Now, I'd like to welcome you all to our first destination, and that is Manila City. Manila or Maynila, which came from the word may, which means there is, and nila, which means a type of flower. And now approaching to our first destination, and that is National Art Museum, formerly known as National Art Gallery. It's an art museum in Manila, Philippines. It is located on Padre Burgos Avenue, across from the National Museum of Anthropology in the eastern side of Rizal Park. Here you will significantly see number of paintings, sculptures, icons, sketches, mixed media, and photographs of Filipino visual artists, or simply by the Filipino visual artists. And it includes important works of Philippine national artists from the 18th century to the late 21st century. And we're now approaching to our next destination, and that is the Manila Ocean Park. Also known as Ocean Park, is an oceanarium in Manila, Philippines. It is owned by China Oceanis Philippines Incorporated, a subsidiary of China Oceanis Incorporated, a Singaporean registered firm. It is located behind the Quirino Grandstand at Rizal Park. The oceanarium is home to 14,000 marine creatures from around 277 species. And it is also a sheer size and diversity make it one of the world's best public aquariums. The oceanarium is a stunning walkthrough of the watery depths, featuring 7 sections and containing 3,000 cubic meters of seawater. And now, we are now approaching to our next destination, and that is Binondo. Binondo is the Chinatown district of Manila. It is also the oldest Chinatown in the world, and more than 400 years since it was established. And also it was the country's center of commerce during the American occupation, and also a trade in Manila, where all types of business run by Filipino-Chinese tribe. And also, the name Binondo was derived from the word Binondo, referring to the place hill-like feature. And now, approaching to our next destination is the Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park. It is one of the largest urban parks in the Philippines, covering an area of 58 hectares, and we will see here are open lawns, ornamental gardens, and ponds and wooded areas. And also it is located in Ermita, Manila. And also you can see here are the monuments of our national heroes, especially Dr. Jose Rizal. And this is also where he was assassinated. And now Approaching to our last destination in Manila City is the Minor Basilica and Metropolitan Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception, also known as the Manila Cathedral, is the Cathedral of Manila and Basilica located in Intramuros, the historic walled city within today's modern city of Manila, Philippines. The cathedral was originally constructed in 1571 as a parish church under the Archdiocese of Mexico until it became a separate diocese on February 6, 1579. Upon the issuance of the papal bull Iulius Volti Praesido by Pope Gregory XIII. Since the original cathedral structure was built in 1581, the cathedral has been damaged and destroyed by several earthquakes and the Second World War. The 8th and current cathedral building was completed in 1958. That's all. And before we end this meeting together, is first and foremost, I would like to thank our coach captain, Sir Andrew, and our drivers, Kuya Julio and Kuya Mike. And thank you for choosing our travel and tours. And once again, I am Kuya Renz. I hope to see you all again.